How do insurance claims work? An insurance claim is a request filed by a policyholder to a provider asking for compensation for a covered loss. The insurance company will then review the claim, and they can approve it and issue an eventual payout after investigating it, or they deny the claim. There are a variety of different insurance types: auto, homeowners, renters, life, business owner, and so many more, and each of them has a different claims process when you suffered a loss. While the process may not be the same across all of your different policies, there are a few common threads of the insurance claims process you can keep in mind as a guide to help you through it. If you've experienced damage or injury you believe may be covered by your policy, the first step is always to review the details of your coverage. The more you understand about your rights, the more successful you may be in filing a successful claim. What does it mean to file an insurance claim? Filing an insurance claim usually involves filling out a proof of loss form, which outlines the damage you've incurred and the compensation you seek from your insurer. You'll usually need to provide dollar amounts, and you can also include pictures or videos of the damage if applicable. To file a successful insurance claim, it's crucial to understand your policy. Know your coverages, deductibles, and limits. You don't want to find out that your loss isn't covered or your damage amounted to less than your deductible after you file. The insurance company would still record it, and you wouldn't receive any reimbursement. Depending on the damage you experience, you'll either want to file an auto, home, or liability claim. While there are minor differences in the claims process with each one, they all generally follow the same format. What to expect in the insurance claim process? Filing an insurance claim can be a complicated and somewhat confusing process. There's no one-size-fits-all outcome, and how your insurance claim is handled largely depends on the fine print in your policy. In most cases, these steps represent the general framing and timeline of filing a claim with your insurance company to help guide you through the process. To help, here are 5 basic tips for filing a successful insurance claim and what to expect from the process. 1. Communicate with your insurance company. The moment you've suffered a loss, regardless of whether or not you're sure it's covered under your policy, you should communicate the details to your insurance company. While you may not ultimately decide to file a claim, it's extremely important to maintain constant contact with your insurance agent. Not only can your provider help you understand the finer details of your policy during the insurance process, but there may be strict rules regarding the amount of time you have to file the claim at all. For instance, you may have only a day or two to file a renter's insurance claim after you've experienced a loss. But, you may have over a year to file a liability claim. The time frame you have to file an auto insurance claim varies by state and by company. Regardless, it's almost always best to contact your insurer as soon as possible after you've experienced a loss. Also, your insurer may want to see a police report when it comes to car accidents and theft claims, whether it's home theft or auto theft. Be sure to contact the relevant authorities when you need to after you've experienced a loss.